Welcome and thank you for joining us. Today we'll take an in-depth look at how to write high-quality SEO blog posts and articles. Writing high-quality SEO blog posts and articles ensures your content ranks well in search engines. It also needs to provide value to your readers. Here are steps to help you create high-quality SEO content. Keyword research. Identify relevant topics and keywords that your target audience is searching for. Understand user intent. Analyze the search intent behind the chosen keywords. Create compelling headlines. Attention-grabbing headlines that are descriptive should include the target keyword whenever possible. Write high-quality content. Create informative and engaging content that addresses the needs and interests of your target audience. Optimize on-page elements. Incorporate your target keyword naturally throughout your content. Include keywords in the title, headings, meta description, URL, and within the body of the text. Provide value and unique insights. Offering insights, practical tips, expert opinions, or unique perspectives can set your content apart from competitors. Use visuals and multimedia. Enhance your content with images, infographics, videos, or other multimedia elements to increase engagement and break up the text. Optimize for readability and UX. Format your content for easy readability by using short paragraphs, concise sentences, and simple language. Promote and share. Once published, promote your content across social media channels, email newsletters, and online communities to increase visibility and attract traffic. By following these guidelines, you can create high-quality SEO blog posts and articles that resonate with your audience and rank well in search engine results. Download your free ebook, Essential Guide to Becoming a Top Blogger, in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe. You don't want to miss anything.